Rolling is best practiced when a baby is alert, happy and playing on the floor. When rolling, babies use all their muscles in their body, including their arms and legs. In preparation for rolling, babies need to practice lying on their back, on their side and on their tummies. To encourage rolling, assist the baby to play with their feet when lying on their back and reach for toys placed off to the side. To help the baby roll, you can assist them by bending one knee up and across their body, guide them onto their side and then over onto the tummy. You shouldn't need to pull them across with their arms. Make sure you practice rolling to both sides. A great tip is to place a toy near the side which they are rolling towards for some extra motivation. You can engage and bond with your baby during play by maintaining eye contact, talking or singing to them throughout the rolling play.